trying to wake Charlotte up to take a bath. She has slept all day for some reason. Look at these little feet. Hello, Charlotte feet. Trying to wake you up. Gotta wake up, big girl. You're barely eating. We're gonna take a bath. That's gonna wake you up. Look how cute you are. I'm gonna give you a nice bath. Okay, take your sleeper off and all your blankies. We're cooling you down. Wake you up. Help! I'm getting chilly. Okay. Help. Help. You're so cute, Charlotte. Hello. Are you going to open your eyes? There's a pick. What's that of?
Fuck.
A raccoon or a fox?
No. Fuck.
Ooh, a frog. Oh. Rabbit. You're such a good girl, Quinn. Do you have any Pez left in your candy? Do you have any left? How much? Don't spill.
4.
4 left? Okay. 3 now. 3 now. Good job, Quinn.
Shit.
You're a good girl. You packed those Pez yourself. Mommy forgot and you packed them. You did great today, baby. We just finished our bath. Oh, it's very hard work being 6 days old. You have to take a bath every day, Mommy? And you have to eat? And you have to grow? It's hard work. It's hard work, right, baby? Oh, you're so good. Oh, baby. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, baby. See, you were so good at the doctor today for your checkup. Got you all clean after that. Hi, baby. All clean. You're such a good girl. Such a good baby. Little umbilical cord in there. Oh, look at that. You're such a newborn.